There's something accumulating in your veins right now, and it may be more dangerous than you imagine. It's not just fat, nor merely stagnant blood. It's like an invisible crust that forms, blocking the flow, overloading the heart, and creating the perfect conditions for pain, varicose veins, swelling, cramps, and even thrombosis. And what almost nobody knows is that there is a powerful natural vitamin capable of doing what many expensive medicines cannot: unclog veins, restore circulation, and reverse the visible signs of venous insufficiency. Yes, it exists. It's scientifically validated, and you've probably never heard about it on television or in the doctor's office, because when something truly works, in a simple and natural way, it doesn't make headlines. But today, you're going to find out. And more, in this lesson, I will reveal to you the most effective natural strategies to activate your circulation and relieve your legs, the right foods and habits that cleanse and strengthen your vessels, and an ancient Ayurvedic recipe used for centuries to eliminate varicose veins and bring back lightness to your legs. This lesson is for those who are tired of living with pain, heaviness in the legs, with that feeling that something is not right in their own body. It's for those who want to treat the problem at its root, with intelligence and consistency. So, if you feel that the time has come to put an end to this, write in the comments, "Health is worth more than gold," and share with at least 3 people you love, because this information could prevent someone close from facing a painful surgery or suffering a more serious consequence. First strategy: movement is life. Stagnation is a sentence. Your legs were not made to remain still, but to propel the life that flows within you. When you move, you activate a true natural pump that pushes blood back to the heart. Light walks, climbing stairs, cycling, dancing, or even a simple exercise of rising onto your tiptoes and slowly lowering down. All of this helps combat blood pooling in the legs, reduces swelling, and prevents the worsening of varicose veins. It's not about becoming an athlete. It's about awakening the body from stagnant mode to living mode. Second strategy: the little-known hydrotherapy that revitalizes veins. Hot water dilates, cold water contracts. This simple contrast, when applied to the legs, acts like a workout for the blood vessels. Alternating 30-second baths of hot water and 30 seconds of cold water for just 5 minutes stimulates vascular tone, relieves heaviness in the legs, and activates circulation in an impressive way. It's simple, accessible, and very few people do it. Third strategy: leg elevation, gravity as an ally. You've used gravity against you for years. Now it's time to use it in your favor. Lying down and elevating your legs above heart level for 15 minutes a day helps accumulated blood return more easily, relieving swelling, pain, and that extreme tiredness in the legs. It's a silent, powerful, and highly effective practice. Fourth strategy: anti-inflammatory and vein-strengthening nutrition. Varicose veins are, in their essence, an inflammatory response. Processed foods, full of sugar, refined oils, and sodium, are poison for your circulation. On the other hand, red fruits like blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry contain potent antioxidants that strengthen the vein walls. Vegetables such as kale, broccoli, red onion, and green tea are rich in flavonoids, which reduce inflammation, improve vascular elasticity, and boost blood flow. Fifth strategy: phytotherapy that really works. Some medicinal plants have the power to act directly on vascular health. Horse chestnut, witch hazel, and gotu kola are classic examples. Their bioactive compounds help reduce swelling, improve vein tone, and relieve the symptoms of venous insufficiency. These actives are widely used in Europe and integrative medicine, with scientific backing and real results. In the form of capsules or extracts, they are valuable allies for those seeking an effective natural treatment. Sixth strategy: losing weight is not vanity, it's venous health. Every extra kilo you carry represents added pressure on your veins. This hinders blood return and accelerates the appearance of varicose veins. Losing weight, in this context, is not about aesthetics. It's a vascular intelligence act. Reducing body weight helps circulation, relieves symptoms, and prevents serious complications. Seventh strategy: clothes and shoes that help or hinder. Tight garments around the waist, groin, and legs act like silent tourniquets, obstructing circulation. High heels or completely flat shoes also impair venous return. Opt for footwear with slight elevation and comfortable clothing that allows blood to flow freely without barriers. Eighth strategy: break this destructive habit now. Sitting or standing for long periods without moving is one of the biggest saboteurs of your circulation. And even worse is keeping your legs crossed for hours. If your routine requires you to remain still, stand up every 30 minutes, walk for 2 minutes, rise onto your tiptoes and lower down. Move your ankles. Small movements throughout the day bring huge results for the health of your veins. These 8 strategies are the starting point. Begin with them, and you will already feel your legs lighter, your vessels less pressured, and your body responding with gratitude. And most importantly, what once seemed like a case for surgery can begin to regress with simple, consistent actions. And the time has come for the most important revelation of this lesson: the #1 natural vitamin to unclog veins, eliminate varicose veins, and strengthen your entire vascular system. Few people talk about it, but among circulatory health specialists, it is considered the true protective shield of the veins. Its name? Vitamin C. Yes, that one. Simple, accessible, and often ignored, but absolutely essential to keep your vessels strong, flexible, and unclogged. Most of your veins, arteries, and capillaries are made up of collagen, a protein that provides support and elasticity to vessel walls. And without vitamin C, the body simply cannot produce quality collagen. That means that, in the absence of this vitamin, veins begin to weaken, dilate, lose strength and elasticity, paving the way for varicose veins, microvarices, venous insufficiency, and, in more severe cases, thrombosis. It's like trying to build a suspension bridge without cement. It may seem sturdy at first, but just give it time, and cracks will appear and the structure will collapse. And the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin C is also one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. It neutralizes free radicals that damage vessels, reduces inflammatory processes, and protects the endothelium, which is the inner lining of the veins. Moreover, it stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a natural substance that promotes vessel dilation, improves blood flow, and reduces pressure on vein walls, relieving heaviness, fatigue, and leg pain. And there's more. Vitamin C improves iron absorption, essential for oxygenating the body's cells, including those that make up the blood vessels themselves. Oxygenated veins are healthier veins. Many people ask, how to supplement correctly? The minimum daily amount recommended to prevent disease is very small, but to achieve real therapeutic effects, especially for vascular health, science shows that higher doses bring much greater results. The ideal is to consume between 500 and 2,000 milligrams per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses, since vitamin C is absorbed and eliminated quickly. Practical and efficient ways to consume: in powder form dissolved in water with excellent absorption, in capsules, opting for versions with ascorbic acid, or preferably liposomal vitamin C, which has high bioavailability. Natural sources such as acerola, camu camu, guava, kiwi, orange, strawberry, lemon, and red bell pepper are also highly recommended. Any contraindications? In general, vitamin C is extremely safe, but those prone to kidney stone formation should consult a professional before using higher doses. And here's a detail ignored by many. Vitamin C does not work alone. Its effects are potentiated when combined with bioflavonoids found in citrus fruits, colorful vegetables, and fresh herbs. So, in addition to the supplement, eat natural and varied foods. This will multiply the benefits and ensure your veins receive everything they need to stay strong. This vitamin is not a supporting actor. It is the protagonist in preventing varicose veins, vascular recovery, and the health of your entire circulatory system. And now, the time has come for the ancestral recipe, a true natural remedy to strengthen veins and activate circulation, coming directly from Ayurvedic medicine, used for millennia in India to treat circulatory problems with surprising results. The ingredients are simple, but the combination is extremely powerful. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or grated turmeric, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, a pinch of black pepper, essential to activate turmeric, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional but recommended, 200 milliliters of warm water, not boiling. Method of preparation: In a cup, add the warm water. Mix well the turmeric, ginger, pepper, lemon juice, and honey until you get a homogeneous golden drink. How to use. Drink this mixture once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach or at night before sleeping. Use continuously for at least 30 days. Many people feel the effects within the first week. Why does this recipe work so well? Turmeric, a powerful anti-inflammatory, improves blood flow, strengthens vessels, and fights free radicals. Ginger activates circulation, reduces blood viscosity, and relieves inflammation. Black pepper enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Lemon, rich in natural vitamin C, promotes collagen production and vessel cleansing. Honey provides minerals and bioactive compounds, strengthening the body and immunity attention. People with gastritis, ulcers, gallstones, or who use anticoagulants should consult a health professional before starting. This recipe is not just a tea. It is a liquid therapy used for centuries to purify, strengthen, and revitalize the circulatory system. A natural combination that offers your circulation what it needs most: fluidity, lightness, and strength. And now, with this knowledge in hand, you have the most powerful natural tools to care for your veins, prevent varicose veins from worsening, and above all, regain control over your health. But let me ask you, would you like something even more effective? Something that can deliver fast, deep results that very few people know about? Imagine if, in addition to protecting your health, you could regain that vitality that seemed lost over time. Wrinkles, low energy, constant fatigue, all of this could be drastically reduced. And I'm not talking about miracles or empty promises, but about something that science and renowned doctors around the world have proven to be possible. As we age, our levels of human growth hormone, HGH, naturally decrease. This decline is one of the main causes of aging signs, such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, decreased energy, weight gain, memory problems, and even reduced sexual drive. But here's a secret that few people know. It's possible to stimulate your body to naturally produce more HGH. This is exactly what GenF20 Plus does. It was designed to help you turn back time, offering incredible benefits, such as reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, increased physical endurance and daily energy, weight loss and reduction of body fat, improved memory, focus, and mood, greater vitality to enjoy life, including in the intimate aspect, and even healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. The results aren't just promises. GenF20 Plus has been tested in clinical studies, and one of them showed a 28% increase in IGF-1 levels, the primary mediator of HGH, in just 12 weeks. And here's the best part. It's recommended by renowned doctors like Dr. Stephen Lamb, a well-known figure on television, who says, "I would wholeheartedly recommend GenF20 Plus to anyone who wants to improve their overall health and regain vitality." In the past, HGH treatments were inaccessible to most people, costing up to $30,000 a year in injections. But GenF20 Plus has brought this technology to an affordable, safe, and natural level. And today, for you who follow our channel, I secured a special December promotional price. The cost is so affordable that it's less than a fast food meal. But pay attention. This offer is limited time only and valid while supplies last. And there's more. You can try GenF20 Plus risk-free. You get 67 days of guarantee. Either you feel the results and are amazed by the transformation, or we refund your investment. No questions asked. Don't miss this chance to change your life for the better. Click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of this special price before it's gone. It's not just about aging. It's about how you choose to live. Make that choice for yourself today. If you've stayed with me this far, you've already realized that this lesson was much more than a simple conversation about health. It was a true journey of knowledge, self-care, and transformation. Today, you learned that varicose veins and venous insufficiency are not just cosmetic issues, but a cry for help from your body, showing that your circulation urgently needs support. Together, we learned the best natural strategies, backed by science, that you can start immediately. We talked about the importance of daily movement, hot and cold hydrotherapy, the practice of elevating your legs, anti-inflammatory nutrition, powerful phytotherapeutics like horse chestnut and gotu kola, maintaining a healthy weight, and even choosing the right clothes and shoes. Then, we revealed the #1 natural vitamin for vein health, vitamin C. We understood that it is absolutely essential for collagen production, protection against free radical damage, improvement of circulation, and strengthening of vessel walls. And, to top it all off, I taught you an ancestral, powerful, and therapeutic recipe, the natural remedy for strong veins, an Ayurvedic combination that activates circulation, reduces inflammation, strengthens vessels, and brings real relief to those suffering from pain, swelling, and discomfort in the legs. So now answer me, did this lesson make sense to you? What score would you give from 0 to 10 to everything I delivered to you today? And also tell me from which city you're watching, because that helps me understand how far this message of health, hope, and transformation is reaching. And if you, like me, believe that healing comes from nature, write that here in the comments. Spread this energy, this faith, this strength, because when we declare it, we reinforce our own healing. And don't keep this just for yourself. Pause this video, share it now with at least 3 people you love who need to know this information. You could be the channel that brings relief, health, and transformation to those you care about. And don't forget, the natural healing supplement, Gen F 20+, is available at a special holiday promotional price, but these are the final days. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment, so act fast to secure yours while it's still available. And look, don't go anywhere. On the end screen, I'll leave 2 more valuable videos that will help you further strengthen your health, your circulation, and your quality of life. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss any lesson, any content that can change your life. Thank you for being here. May God bless you powerfully. A big hug, lots of health, and see you in the next lesson. Stay with God.